Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Slide the car to drive it out of the parking lot. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out!